guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these fortune teller kind of looking doll paper puppet things. So this is one that I just made for my friend that is ordering from my shop. Just so you guys know, my shop isn't linked below. Don't go check it out. Don't go online. It's just for like my school and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you how to make these. You'll need a piece of paper, scissors, and anything to like color with. It can be markers, crayons, colored pencils. It can even be a pencil if you want to sketch it out first. The first thing that you're going to do is make a fortune teller. You can go to other places to learn how to do this, but I'm not here to tell you how to do it. Most people know how to, but some people don't. You can go to YouTube and figure out how to make these. But I'm not here to tell you how to make one. So I'm just making my fortune teller right now. So, how's your day been? Good? Great. Feel like Dora the Explorer. Yeah. So, I was also open them with my chin. So you have your fortune teller. It's completely blank. But now you're going to start coloring them. So I'm just grabbing my markers and Crayola, like crayon color pencils. And as you can see with this one, if you unfold it, the eyes are in the corners like this. So I'm going to unfold it to the side that has 4 little squares. And you're going to set it down, and in the top 2 squares, right in the corners like this, you're going to put the eyes. And if you're doing eyelashes, you're going to put the eyelashes down. So I'm doing my eyes with blue. And I'm just going to draw 2 circles, fill them in, and then draw eyelashes going down. And a great way to double check is to fold it back up again and play with it. So I know it's good because this is the mouth and this is where the words are going to be. Okay. So you're going to go to the other side with 8. And in these 2, the like ones on the side on the bottom, you're going to do 2 semicircles on what color you want the tongue. So I'm just going to do it to mine, and then I'll show you. So they're like pieces of pizza, kind of. Like that. Then on the top and the bottom ones, you're gonna write your 4-letter word. Mine is gonna be cool, but you can do anything. I'm gonna do it with this color, but it has to be 4 letters in order for it to work. You can do anything, but I'm doing cool. Okay, so we have cool. As you can see, it's backwards, but let's see that. So then you put it on your hand. So you have the eyes facing up. If you want to put anything on here, you can. I think for the sake of the video time, I'm not gonna do it, but you can. One of my friends did sprinkles, so that might be fun. On this one, there's little hearts. So yeah, but if you go like this, it's the tongue, and if you go like this, it's cool, or whatever word you put. And that is how you make a cool paper puppet doll fortune teller kind of thing. So yeah, that's very cool. So this is a great idea if you're bored, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.